planning to open a fire. That is the current situation that is happening here in Kibira. You can see that is what is happening. I think I've heard them saying that they should open fire. Yeah, it's direct. We are live. We are live. We are live. So it is happening live, guys. You meanwhile you can share this live. This is around. This is in Kibira. The demonstrators are trying to access the other side, but the police has finally refused, and they said no. Or if else, they're going to open fire. That is the last thing that I heard from them. I'm also being denied the access to the other side, which I think they know the main reason why they're not allowing me to access the other side. We are hoping for the best. Meanwhile, we are hoping for the best. We are hoping for everything to calm down. Guys, I was just a tear gas. So currently in the situation, the current situation. That's the current situation. So that is the current situation, you guys can see. So this is what currently is happening here in Kibira. And you can see the other side also, we have the protesters or the demonstrators. They're really in it for it. And they're not even tired. Okay. They are having, like, I think the other alternative. That is what now these people are having, their other alternative. I don't know what they're planning to do exactly, because the other side and they're not allowed to access the other side. So they were planning to head to Nairobi. And they are not doing. Yes? I think everything at least now is calm. Yeah, everything now it's calm. It's a bit calm the other side.